Right, Milwaukee pop rivet gun. I know I rip on Milwaukee a fair bit, but this here is quite decent for the money. It's a lot cheaper than some of the other models. It's working. Give a wee test out here first. No, that's actually not working. That'll be why. Where's the other jaw? There it is. Yeah, there we go. How did that even come out? It's too big to fit in. How did it come out? They're not broken. These aren't snapped or anything. They're just sitting loose. So 3 of them together are smaller than this bore size. And that bore gets pulled back because these are tapered then. They collapse on and they grab your pop rivet. There's still a rivet on it, so that's where she's jamming up. There's nothing actually in there to block that. So that looks okay. You can see that wee jaw has been out for a while. You can see the dents where that's been crashing onto it. That's how it should be sitting. Try this again. Now there's no mechanical means to expel that pin. Once they snap, there's nothing that actually expels this. It doesn't get shot out or mechanically moved. It's just gravity. You have to tap the gun up the other way for that to actually fall out. So if you don't tap it, that lies in the bottom, and the next one comes up and jams it. So there could well be operator error, and somebody's tried to fix it, and that it didn't put it back together again properly. So we'll try this again. There we go. There's the pin. Seems to be working fine. So when this gun pops a rivet, it either sticks up like this, you can pull it out, or you can keep going, just push this against your work surface. The rivet sits there, but as you put in your next rivet, the old one drops out. So as you putting in the next rivet to get rid of the old one, obviously for it to happen, your gun must be sitting backways. If you're doing it like this, with the gun facing forward, that last rivet is just going to be sitting here, and that's where the jamming starts.